Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy. Features also include keyless entry, leather seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration, MP3, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, anti-lock braking system, navigation system, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, moonroof, power steering, home link garage door opener, cruise control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.